How to turn vibration on or off on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn the vibration on or off on your iPhone, especially with the new settings and iOS 18. This will allow you to control when your iPhone vibrates for calls, notifications, and more. First, open Settings and scroll down to Accessibility. Now tap on Accessibility and then under Physical and Motor Settings, tap on Touch. In here, you can find Vibration Setting. If it's toggled on, just simply toggle it off. To turn off or completely turn off vibrations for all functions. This will disable vibrations for all system interactions like notifications and haptic feedback. To turn vibration back on, just follow the same steps and toggle the switches back to on. And that's it. You can now control vibration settings easily on your iPhone. Try it out and let me know if it worked for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one. Bye!